Now, in order to create the eye for the alien, you're going to need the white yarn from your kit and your 4mm crochet hook. So we'll start by creating a slip knot, insert your hook, and then we'll make a magic ring. Now that we've created our magic ring, we're going to place 6 single crochets into the center of it for row 1. Now that we've completed row 1, we're going to move on to row 2, where you're going to increase in every stitch around for a total of 12 stitches. All right, so now that we've finished row 2, you're going to pull out a long tail. You're going to snip that. And now, in order to finish, snip off this little bit of excess. We're going to grab our embroidery needle. And we're going to kind of close this circle so that it looks a little bit more like an eye. So you're going to run your needle through the back loop of that first stitch in the last row, and then through the front of it. Just very gently, no need to pull. And then you're going to work it through that back loop of the previous stitch. That will give the effect of a stitch without there actually being one there, and that just makes it a little bit more circular. And now you'll just take your safety eye and pop that right through the middle. Then you'll place the washer on the back, and this will get sewn onto the front of your alien.